Hello guys, welcome to Droid Crunch, and in this video we're going to see in action how we can change the administration email address in WordPress website. So the process is very simple. You don't need to install any plugin or any service in order to do that, and if you're stuck, follow along this video and you will be able to easily change this administration email without any issue. So this is the email that is already there and you want to change it. Then what you have to do, for example, when you do it, what happens, for example, I make it lokesh@gmail.com, something like that, and I save the changes. So it says that there is a pending change of the admin email to this. Okay, so this email will receive the request to change the email to this one, but if it doesn't happen, for example SMTP is not working, you don't have access to this email, then in that case you can do the thing that I am showing in this video. So first of all, you will need to have access to your database, and here's the database of my website, and in WP options you need to go to this table and WP options table, and here you need to find this admin email row, and the option value of this admin email is the current email that I have. And what I can do, I can just simply change this email to this one. I copy this out, okay, and I'll just paste it right there, and one row is affected and it has been changed. When I reload, I can see that it is changed. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Secondly, what you can do, you can just for example copy this out, go to SQL, okay, and you can also do one thing. Now for example I want to change it to droidcrunch@gmail.com, and where WP options, option value is admin email. Okay, I copy this and go. So it is changed, right? To confirm the change, I will go back to my WordPress website, I will reload this, but it is not changed. Option value, set option value, not option value, it is option name. Okay, so I will go to SQL, I will paste it, and I will say where option name is equal to, because there was no value of admin email in option value column, so it didn't work because we have admin email in option name. Okay, so it is where it will just search where the in option WP options table, the in option name column the value is admin email, then it will change that row and set the option value to this one. Okay, so now it is correct. Now we can go, and the row is affected. To confirm the change, you can get back to the website and reload, and it is changed now. Okay, so it works like that. It is very simple. You can easily do it from your database, so you will need to have access to your database. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this. If you are new, then please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new video that is uploaded on this channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.